200. She had to be convinced about how good she could be by her coach, Edric Floreal, who's the director of track and field at the University of Texas. I think she's going to be on the podium, and after seeing a semifinal like this, I am more convinced. She's got to relax a little bit more late, but wow, for that to be a sub-22 performance, the Olympic 100-meter champion looks like she's going to be